Blankita lifestyle.
So good.
Cooking in the kitchen. Blankita lifestyle.
Delicious.
Got the recipes for ya.
Yummy, yummy.
Blankita lifestyle.
So good.
Cooking in the kitchen.
Yummy, yummy.
Blankita lifestyle.
In your tummy, tummy.
Got the recipes for ya.
Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to my garden. So this is like the first time I've ever done this, and me and Fred decided to grow a garden. We love our health and we love eating salads, so we said, why not grow our own salads? And look, it's here. It's so exciting to see them grow. Oh my God, I just found a cute little ladybug. We saw that our lettuce is ready. I have a bowl here. So we're gonna pinch it at the base and you put it in your bowl. We have lettuce. You guys know I'm a hairstylist and a makeup artist, and everyone's like, okay, like what's up with the cooking show? And the reason why I'm doing this is because I've learned through my own life experiences dealing with, IBS, severe adult acne. Doctors always said that food had nothing to do with it, that was my genetic, that's how I am, and I'm gonna have to suffer for the rest of my life. And by changing my habits and my way of eating, I've unleashed a whole new world for myself and for the people that I love. Again, this is a beautiful experience since I've become more aware of my health and have been able to see the beautiful results that I'm getting at eating and being consistent at a healthy lifestyle, and then complementing it with a great skincare and healthcare. You're gonna optimize your results. And that's what we want. And this is the whole reason why I'm doing this, is because the lifestyle is everything that we have around us. And then the results are going to be fruit of all of that hard work and consistency. And by bringing my lifestyle show, my cooking show, I wanna help you guys to have a wonderful life, a wonderful health, and a wonderful wealth. So let's get this started and make our own salad. Let's go, babe. Follow me.
All right, so now we're gonna make my favorite salad. For this, we're going to be needing some sprouted tofu, extra firm, fresh ginger, and gluten-free tamari sauce. Let's begin. We're gonna remove the tofu from its packaging and get 3 paper towels and wrap your tofu around it. You need to press firmly to remove any excess water on all sides. This will allow your tofu to absorb the flavor of whatever you're gonna decide to marinate it with. You're gonna go ahead and cut your tofu the sideways, and then you will cut them into strips like that. They will be like your little chicken strips. Chicken. Go ahead, try to cut them also equally because you want to make sure that you're going to fry them on each side. Okay, now you're going to get a rectangular bowl or Tupperware, place all your tofu inside flat, and we're going to go ahead and add tamari sauce. So we're doing 2 tablespoons in total, but start with 1 at a time and make sure that you spread it evenly through your tofu so it can start absorbing that flavor. Tamari sauce is a great ingredient to use to marinate anything with, so FYI with that. So just give it a little shake, and now we're going with the fresh ginger. I love ginger for its flavor, its zinginess, and also its nutritional benefits like antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. So for this recipe, I like to grate the ginger because it releases its juices, and that's gonna help with marinating it. You're gonna cover your Tupperware, give that a nice shake, and you're gonna see that everything is gonna be all wrapped up in with that flavor. Feel free to use any type of vegetables you have. I mean, I love alfalfa and arugula. They're awesome for you. And for the salad dressing, it's pretty simple. I'm doing some extra virgin olive oil, balsamic vinegar, truffle oil, oregano, black pepper, sea salt, and fresh garlic. Let's start by mixing it up with 1/3 cup of olive oil, 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon of truffle oil, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of oregano with grated garlic. You're gonna heat up a medium frying pan and distribute the oil evenly. Add your marinated tofu on it. You wanna make sure you marinate it for at least 2 hours, but overnight is ideal. So now you're gonna wanna fry them on each side. Look at that sizzle. It is so delicious and tender. Do that on each side evenly. Once you let it cool down a bit, you have your bowl of salad. Add in your chopped onions. I added in chopped cucumbers, some shredded carrots, and my homemade dressing. Feel free to add other things or add more. This is just a reference so you guys pretty much have an idea. I found some olives, so I wanted to put that in. I added some more carrots and my favorite alfalfa. Avocado is some good fats, and chop up the tofu like little chicken bites. And I decided to also add a tablespoon of chia seeds. And there you have it, my garden salad. Buen provecho! This was a video on how to make ginger tofu salad.
Thank you so much for watching. If you like videos like this, here's some more that you can check out. Every Sunday at noon, I release a brand new video, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash that notification bell. Like that, you'll be notified as soon as one of my videos is released. Hope to hear from you soon. Enjoy!